Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect your EVgo account to RFID or app easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect your EVgo account to your RFID card or mobile app, start by ensuring you have your EVgo account credentials ready. Open the EVgo mobile app on your smartphone or visit the EVgo website on your computer. Log into your EVgo account using your email and password. If you are using the mobile app, navigate to the account section found in the menu. For those using the website, locate the account settings option in the main menu. Look for the RFID card or Connect RFID section within your account settings. Select the option to add or connect a new RFID card. To register your RFID card, enter the unique card number found on the back of the card. Once you've entered the number, click on Submit to save your changes. If you prefer using the app, navigate to the Mobile Wallet option from the account menu. Follow the prompts to enable your app for charging sessions. You may need to grant permissions for location services to ensure seamless use. After confirming your RFID card or mobile app connection, exit the account settings. Your EVgo account is now successfully connected to your RFID card or mobile app. You can begin using your RFID card or app for charging at EVgo stations. Ensure that you have the latest version of the EVgo app for the best experience. If you encounter any issues during the process, consult the EVgo support section for assistance. Enjoy charging your vehicle with ease using your connected account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.